All right. Hey, everybody. Welcome back. This is going to be a real quick one because, thanks to you, we're at 100. And like I said, at 100, we're going to do a gift card giveaway. I'll leave it up to the winner. It'll either be for StockX or Amazon. What you're going to do is you have to be a subscriber. You have to comment on this video with, you're going to put at Sneaky Pete, SNEKEEPETE. We have a random program that will select the winner out of all the comments. And once that's all said and done, we'll pick the winner. You can shoot me an email at sneaksandgeeksusa@gmail, or you can hit me up on Instagram, DM me, and we'll get that card out to you. And once again, thanks for making this happen, and let's keep it up. We got a computer coming up soon. Let's just say Mr. Jordan will be making another reappearance. One of his famous pieces of footwear. All right, so thanks again. See you soon, much appreciated. And for those of you who are here for the first time, welcome to Sneaks and Geeks. You see what we do. Obviously, this doesn't go with that. I just got these. The ones that go with this, I'm actually wearing. Anyway, at Sneaky Pete in the comments. We'll pick the winner on Friday. Take care. Thanks again.